Hi guys, Excelsior Beach here, and I'm gonna unbox this hardware wallet that was sent out by Decent. And as you can see right here, it's decentwallet.com. And they sent this out to me so that I can unbox it and test it out. So let's see what's inside, okay? Nice box right here. You can see Decent, as it says right here. Decent. And it looks really nice. The holographic finish. Black box. Let's see. It says do not use if seal is broken. There you go. Let's open it up. It's plastic. Welcome card, cover sheet, warranty, wallet, USB-C, this micro USB. As you can see right here, micro USB. So that's it guys for the unboxing. Now we're going to be setting up the Decent mobile app. And again, thank you to Decent for sending this biometric wallet. The Decent biometric wallet has a QR code that has been put up right there in one of the cards. You scan that and use your camera. There you go. There's a QR code. And go to the website and you can set up whichever device that you have. I have an iOS phone. Now connect with iOS phone. It says install the Decent mobile app, and there you go. I'm gonna be installing it, the Decent wallet, right now. Of course, you verify. Go verify with my face as well, and let's wait for it to install. And you open it. Okay. Now, of course, Decent Wallet would like to access the camera, okay. And it says, please select your wallet. You click your biometric wallet. And of course, I would register my password. That would be blurted out. This will be my password that will be used for the Decent app as well. And then it would like to access the Bluetooth because it connects via Bluetooth as well, not even going through the wires. So you can do it wirelessly with your phone to your biometric wallet. Okay. Okay. Decent Wallet would like to use Bluetooth for new connections. You can go to settings. Bluetooth is on. Okay. There you go. Go back, enter your password as well, because that's how it's going to be going. And now what you want to do is open your Decent wallet. Now, okay, you can connect to your wallet via Bluetooth. Search your device via Bluetooth. Right there, it's already on the video. Click the OS that you would want to use. I'm clicking iOS. There you go. It says connecting. It's now connecting to my device, and it says connected, and it's syncing to your wallet. And now you would have to add an account, right? Since Face ID is already activated as well. Go to main, sign in. Okay, there you go. We're gonna be signing in or logging in via the app as well. Type in your passcode, your email, then your password. Okay, log in. There you go. I'm verified right now. And then, of course, you can also check out all the other features of the app as well. You can use Face ID to verify that you're in the app, and then go on to your Decent wallet. Right now, as you can see right now, we're going to be going in. Go back, account, okay. Please add an account in the app. Okay, so let's add an account. So let's say I'm going to be adding like, you know, where's my BNB or Binance Coin? This account is going to be called Binance. There you go. So it's setting up or creating the account for you for your first Decent wallet account. Make sure that you already have registered in a Decent login. There you go. That's it. Click OK. And you can see it's already registered in my Decent wallet as Binance. Let's zoom in right there. There you go. There you go. Zooming in, and that's it. The Binance right there. So that's it, guys. That's how you set up your Decent wallet. Make sure that you are already signed up to Decent right there, and you can log in using your Face ID. Also make it active. You can also get some features right there by going with your Decent wallet as well. Now, in the future, I'm going to be showing you how to, like, you know, purchase some cryptocurrency and get the activation or get the security that is built in with the Decent wallet. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing and the basic account setup with Decent. Thank you for Decent for giving me this biometric wallet for my use. And that's it, guys. If you liked it, subscribe and follow as well. This has been Excelsior PH guiding you on how to use their Decent biometric wallet. Bye, guys.